Then check this out. Ready now?
Hey people, Gary here from iDigi Affiliate. Today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now most people that know about My Lead Gen Secrets have multiple accounts, but we're only going to be using one account. Simply because I want to get guys who are beginners, I want to try to show them that you can make money very easily online. You know, very simple process here. So that's what we're going to do here, guys. And so if you're interested in following along, the links are in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, make sure to hit that notification bell, and let's get started. All right, so first I want to speak on why I like promoting this particular product. Is because it's 80% recurring income. It's 80% recurring income. That means you get paid every single month 80% of the profits, so to speak. So for example, you sign in for the $25 business, right? Under my link in the description, I'll get $20 of that. And if you stay in the system, I get paid every single month the $20. The company only keeps $5, which is very, very lucrative, guys. You can make a lot of money like that. But anyway, guys, let's refresh the page and show my results. Alright guys, it looks like we did not get a sale yesterday, which is totally fine. We've been doing pretty well lately. You know, my next payment, this week payment is $440, so I'm not really tripping over it. Yeah, you can make money like this, guy. Now I made plenty of money with this thing. $4,000 so far. That's crazy. I started this maybe 3-4 months. Was it 4 or 5 months ago? Something like that. I don't know. I can't remember, but it ain't been that long, and really gotten up to $4,000, and I'm doing just the minimum, guys. Imagine if I was setting up TikToks and all this and that. So anyway, guys, let's get to it here. What we're gonna do here first, what you want to do, guys, you want to click on the link below. They're gonna be step 1, the $25 business. Now once you click on that, you're gonna see this page here. You're gonna see a page like this. It looks like this. But this page basically describes what the $25 business is, what you get, your potential money income is. You can get instant $20 to $100 monthly commission. So you can get $120 off of every customer, guys. Now the $100 monthly commission is going to be free for the 2 weeks. So if you sign in under my link, you can get that for free for 2 weeks. Just to show you that. And what that is essentially showing you how to promote the product in a bunch of different ways. Facebook, TikTok, whatever, right? And it's constantly updating and kind of giving you more ammo to promote the product with. Like for example, you can you can type in articles, ask it to write an article for you, and so on and so forth, stuff like that, so you can make content. All right, guys. So yeah, once you decided you want to be in the system, then you click yes, I want in. Once you do that, it's going to be a video that plays that tells you exactly what you're purchasing, so you have full information on what you're doing here. All right, and then after that, you'll go to a page that says you want to buy, the $25 business, put in your information, all that good stuff. And if you want to try the 2 weeks for free, for the premium. All right, so guys, so once you do that, let's go on. You go to you're gonna get to a page that looks something like this here. Page here. Just worry about the top here. The bottom doesn't matter too much. And once you get to a page that look like this, you click on affiliate zone, guys. Oh, let me log in real quick. Click on affiliate zone, and then you go down a little bit and you click on sign up for the affiliate program here. You sign in for the affiliate program. You just ask you, type in some name, put your name and stuff like that real quick. And then once you do that, you log in the Samcart right here. You can log in the Samcart or Samcart affiliate login, whatever you want to click on, right? And that should take you to this page here. Now you're not gonna have any money in yours, but you're gonna have all your links down here. Now the one that promotes the recurring commissions of $20 and $100 up to $120 per month. Now this is this product here. This product here. Now it's a bunch of other products in the system. That's where I got the $400 from. I got a sale from something else. And a cool thing about this system, once you get somebody in it, when they purchase something else, you still get that income. And yeah, that's that. So get this link here, all-in-one $25 business, and then you go to the My Lead Gen Secrets here. Now you click on My Lead Gen Secrets. That's going to be a link in the description. It's the second step, guys. Second step. Click on that. It'll take you to a page talking about you get 100 commissions a day or something like that. A page there, and you say, yeah, I want not 100 commission, but 100 leads a day. And you click on that and you say, hey, I want an account. So you sign in for an account. Make sure not to purchase the master email swipes. I'm gonna give you my swipes. I mean, you can just copy my swipes, and it's just a bunch of easy ways to get swipes. You don't gotta worry about it. You could write one real quick if you really want to. But anyway, mailing system. Click on that. They don't need to be super long or anything. You click on mailing system, then you click all your leads here. You're probably only gonna have 100 leads starting. So anyway, guys, you want to click on let's go to passive income keeps feeling bigger stay yet. All right, so we're just gonna go to my next email here. Once you got a certain amount of emails in the system, you can just load up one. So anyway, guys, just copy this email. Simple, right? Just copy that email there, right? Blah blah blah. Just pause the video and copy the email there. Very short email. Very short email. Very interesting email. Quick and to the point. So on and so forth. Put your link in right here. Hit perfect timing. What that does, send emails around time. People check emails. Make sure to preview and make sure your link works. I'm pretty sure mine works because this is an old email. And then you send the email and you're done, guys. That's all it takes. You're done, you're finished. It's over, finito. You start making money. And once you got a lot of emails in the system, this only takes about half a minute a day to do. You can make a couple $100 extra dollars a month. I know anybody can use that, especially right now in recession. Anyway, guys. I mean inflation. I meant to say. Maybe both, I don't know. But anyway, that's all there is to it, guys. Interested in following on, links in the description below, like I stated before. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.